In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood ornament on this Mercedes E350. Let's get into it. Underneath, I'm going to use some thicker needle nose pliers. If you have some pliers that fit in here, that's what you want to use. And we're going to twist this counterclockwise. Before I do that, I am going to bring the hood down just so I can grab on the emblem, the ornament, so that it doesn't fall. Twist counterclockwise, and then it slides right out. This is how it sits in the vehicle. When you put the pliers in, you're twisting this piece, and then this whole emblem pops out. And then going back in is going to be the opposite. Slide the new one in place, hold it in there. Do the same, but now we're going to turn it clockwise. Once you get it started, you can let go up top. And it's good right there. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.